In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings, scroll to Hit Apps, and access Default Apps. Then click on Home app and apply Launcher Pro by clicking on it and selecting Allow All in the pop-up. So first I need to click, wait, and then choose Allow All. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. To make some changes, you need to enter Launcher app. To go back to your default launcher, you can always go back to the same settings and tap on HONOR Home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!